let me briefly tell you about social media strategy, okay? The funnel is really important and it's the backbone of your business, okay? And every step, if you don't have money, then don't waste your time. Like if you come and tell anyone we don't have marketing budget, then why would you expect people to do free stuff? If I go walking into a supermarket and I grab this and I walk away, you will call the police, right? Like, sorry, I don't have budget. Can I get this pen? You'll get a slap. You will not get any stuff for free. So what I'm saying here is, marketing will cost you money, will cost you to hire someone, will cost you to create the content, will cost you, imagine if you will create reels on the rig. That is very costly, man. Like 10 years ago, it was unbelievably costly. Now you can send a drone, right? But again, drone operators are expensive. Just to get the permit, it will cost you 12,000 dirhams. 12,000 only for the permits. I haven't charged you for anything. That is for one video, okay? However, there are always alternatives. So make your priority based on your budget. The way we talk to people is what is your budget to pay for Google? If it's less than this, like, I think you should reconsider what are you doing, okay? Social media, briefly. Social media strategy. This is a strategy. If you apply these steps, you will have an amazing roadmap that will ease up your life, okay? I would divide this into two halves. The cold half, the cold color, and the hot colors, okay? This side is inside your company, and this side is customer facing. It's like any business functionality or unit. It starts with research. You should know who's your competitor. I searched all your names. I'm frustrated, to be honest, to find these results. Like, not anywhere. Like, man, at least your business name should be there when people are looking for you. At least your business name. We're not talking about the services that you are offering, which is also like very basic. So research, then audit. If I'm here in Media City, right, and I need to go to RAKEZ, I need to know, Google needs to know, where am I at the moment? So it can tell me which route it will take me to RAKEZ, right? Back to Ras Al Khaimah. So if you want to improve, you should know where exactly you are. This is a tricky part that you need the help of someone, or you can Google, how do I audit my social media and digital marketing channels? You need tools. Like, if you want to diagnose your car, you go to the mechanic, they have a diagnose tool, right? Without diagnose tool, they might dismantle the whole car without, like, just guessing. Like 50 years ago, they were guessing, right? Oh, it might be the carburetor, it might be this, and it's like, hey, I changed everything in my car, and it was not fixed. I used to hear my dad facing this issue a lot, but nowadays we don't face it because there is a diagnose tool that will tell me this is where your car is screwing up. So you need those tools to figure out what is your blind spot. So market research and audit. You need to know exactly where you are. What we do in the audit, we make a checklist and we give each checklist like a weight, let's say 1 mark. And I calculate, okay, I got 40 out of 55. Okay, now I know what should I do to reach the 55, right? Moving on, once I know this, I should ask myself, if I'm the business owner, what is my commercial target? Do you know your commercial target? I should sell 30 million dirham in this year. Or I should acquire 10 more customers. Your content on social media should reflect your goals. Here is my account manager. When we started to create AI, she wanted to do a lot of AI. I told her, Jersey, whatever that is out of our focus, don't do it. So we picked the industries that we target. If you visit our Instagram, we made a guide how to use ChatGPT. We only mentioned the companies and the industries that we are targeting. So let's say the vaping industry. Hell no, I will never do business with that. I will never write a guide for vaping companies. Okay? I don't drink alcohol, I don't smoke. I will never do that marketing because I need to live the experience in order to market it. Okay? You see what I'm saying? Your business goals should be linked to your content on Instagram, on LinkedIn, anywhere. Because if I'm from that industry and I landed on any of your channels, I should feel that I belong here. Otherwise, don't copy your competitors. They have a different target than yours. Guys, this is really important. This is where I feel 60% of companies are wasting their effort on creating stuff that is not relevant to them because his daughter told him that this is a trend. It doesn't work that way. We fired the client, I'm sorry to say that, because his daughter, who's living in the US, was in charge of Instagram. Hello, this is not your blog, this is a restaurant, 4 restaurants outlets. And you're sitting there in the US. It's different. It's not your wife who should run the Instagram account for your business. You should run it. I mean, there at your office, okay? Not someone random, not calling the HR guy because they have some time in their pocket. It's like, okay, run our social media. I swear, guys, this is real case scenarios. What the finance has to do with your communication channels, with your customers. Like the worst people to sell are the finance guys. I'm telling you real life examples. So once I know my goals, here you should know the policy of the company, of the country that you are in, what's allowed, what's politically correct, and so on. Then I start developing the content. And I will spare a few minutes later on for this. Once I create my content, what's next? I should post it on social media, right? Now I leave my office and I go face my customers, where I might be subjected to criticism, to all sorts of bullying or trolling and so on, and the good side as well. So here I should have my channel strategy. Should you be on every channel? No. You should be where your customers are. Instagram, YouTube. Don't waste and maybe Facebook, because people watch a lot of Facebook movies on Facebook Watch. In the middle, show your ice cream and stuff. Once I choose my channel, I manage my community. Okay? Don't be active today and sleep for the next week and then come back to your customers, because Facebook and every channel is watching what is your response time. If you respond after 3 hours, they count you as a lazy account, and then they will give someone a priority over your account. Okay? Once people interacted with you, they have seen your content, okay, and so on. Now what's next? I need to measure, right? Measure, create reports, and give myself the feedback for the strategy and for the circle again. Are you doing this? Are you doing part of this? Okay? How to implement this? Obviously, like, it's easier said than done. It takes us as a team 1 to 2 weeks to generate a social media strategy for a company and a business. But guys, this will be for the rest of your life at the company. You can develop it at any certain. If you are lazy, you can come back to me and I can charge you easily. But if you are not lazy, you can do it yourself. Like, you can hire us for this stage. We will conduct 1-day workshop. We either invite you to our office or we can do it the other way around. Okay? Either we come to your office or we invite you to our office. 1 day workshop, we get everything from you, we implement this, and then we come back to you later and tell you, this is the strategy, let's fix it. Let's see where we are aligned with you and where we are not. Second revision, you're good to go. Okay? There are people coming to us only for a strategy. We can execute it or you can execute it yourself.